I'll show you how to go live on Pump.fun. It's going to be a full guide video, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. At first, go to your Pump phone. What you need to do, make sure your Phantom wallet is currently funded with Solana, and make sure you connect your Phantom wallet to your Dex. Make sure you connect your Phantom wallet to your Pump.fun. Once you have connected it, you're going to be able to see this create coin option. So come on here, click on it. So this option is going to come out. So fill in the required details. Once you are done, you're going to be able to click on this create coin. So I think I previously created a coin, and I'm going to show you how you can be able to go live on Pump.fun. Before you can be able to go live on Pump.fun, you need to create a token. You need to have a token. So I'm going to go to the previous token I currently created. So this is it. So I created this token as a test, right? So what I need to do, if you want to go live, you're going to be able to see this start live stream here. So I'm going to cover my camera now because I will not like my face to show. So I'm going to just cover it. So click on start live stream, scroll to the end, click on agree and continue. Once you click on I agree, you're going to be able to go live. So you can see right here it's currently not live, but once I click on this now, I'm going to be able to go live here on Pump.fun. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the very next video.